In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily follow someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and basically all we have to do in order to follow someone is just go to Facebook profile page of a user we would like to follow. We can do it right from here, from the Facebook timeline. To do that, we just need to tap right over here at user's name or at their profile picture. Basically, I'm already following that user, so I'm gonna show you another way how we can do that. We can just search for a user using search tool. In this way, we can just search for a user by their name or username. In that way, that will show us a bunch of different users' profiles. We can tap at See All to get more users. Also, we can filter them by city, education, work, and friends in that case. So we can just scroll down until we find a user we would like to follow, and we can follow them right from here by tapping at Add Friends, and also we can follow them if we go to their profile, and then we'll be able to tap at that button to send them a friend request. Also, there is one more way how we can easily follow users on Facebook. To do that, we need to go right here to Friends tab. That will show us our current incoming friend requests right over here, and down below it shows people you may know. There are some users that are suggested to you based on your phone contacts and based on your current Facebook friends. So right from here we can follow users by tapping at Add Friends in that way. And also in the same way we can go to their profiles and tap at Add Friend button to send them a friend request. That's how you can easily follow someone on Facebook.